You've been using dish soap to clean your plates for years, but what if I told you that same bottle hiding under your sink could unclog your toilet, kill garden pests, and even save your life? Yes, dish soap, the humble bottle we often overlook, is a secret superhero in disguise. But wait, before you toss that sponge, there's a whole world of unexpected uses you're missing out on. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big like, because today we're uncovering 5 surprisingly powerful ways you can use dish soap that have nothing to do with washing dishes. Let's get started. The soap you never really knew. So picture this. It's a rainy evening. You're home alone. The power's out, your phone's dying, and you notice something strange. A leak coming from your bathroom ceiling. You rush in. The floor is wet, and your toilet overflowing. Panic sets in. No plumber, no help. Just you and your wits. And then you remember a random YouTube video you watched once about dish soap. You grab it, pour it in the bowl, wait, and boom, the blockage clears. Crisis averted. Sounds dramatic? Maybe, but it's real, and it's just one of the 5 things we're going to explore. So let's dive right into it. Use number 1, unclog your toilet or sink, the emergency hack. Okay, let's start with the lifesaver. If your toilet ever clogs and you don't have a plunger, dish soap can genuinely be a hero. No joke. Here's how it works. Pour about half a cup of dish soap into the toilet bowl. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then slowly add hot, not boiling water. The soap acts as a lubricant and breaks down grease and debris. 10 minutes later, flush. And you just fixed a plumbing problem with something that cost less than $1. But think about this. If something as simple as dish soap can fix a toilet, what else can it do? Is number 2, pest control for your plants. Nature-friendly insecticide. Now let's head outdoors. Got a garden? Maybe some balcony plants? Ever noticed little bugs like aphids, whiteflies, or spider mites munching away at your hard work? Commercial pesticides can be expensive and full of harmful chemicals. But your dish soap? It's a secret gardener's trick. Mix a few drops of dish soap with water in a spray bottle, roughly 1 tablespoon per liter. Spray directly onto the leaves and affected areas. It disrupts the insect's cell membranes, causing them to dehydrate and die, all without harming your plant. It's safe, it's effective, and it's something you already own. Crazy, right? Use number 3, grease stains on clothes, the hidden laundry hack. Have you ever dropped food on your shirt while eating? Especially something greasy like butter chicken, pasta, or pizza? That sinking feeling of, oh no, this stain will never come out. Well, don't toss the shirt just yet. Before you throw it in the wash, take a small amount of dish soap. Apply it directly to the greasy spot. Rub it in gently. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and then launder as usual. Dish soap is designed to cut through grease. It doesn't care whether it's on a plate or a pair of jeans. This one tip has saved me from ruining countless shirts. Trust me, it works. So here's the thing. In a world obsessed with buying more products, more gadgets, more clutter, sometimes the most powerful tools are the simplest ones already in our homes. Dish soap isn't just about cleaning your plates. It's about creative thinking, resourcefulness, and finding solutions in the most unexpected places. That's what makes this list so fascinating. It's not just about life hacks, it's about rethinking the ordinary. What else have we been overlooking? For more powerful tips, step-by-step guides, and home care hacks that actually work, come join our community. Get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products and emergency speed cleaning checklist, plus a few surprise extras. Visit us at www.skool.com. The link is in the description below. Bonus: you'll also get free access to our private community made for women, where we share real-life tips, expert advice, and keep each other motivated through the mess. This isn't just another download. It's your fast pass to smarter, stress-free home care. See you inside. If you found even one of these tips helpful, do me a favor. Hit the like button so this video can reach more people. Tell me in the comments, which tip surprised you the most? Or do you have a secret dish soap trick we should all know about? And of course, subscribe to the channel for more eye-opening, practical, and sometimes weirdly satisfying stories like this one. because everyday objects often hide the most extraordinary potential. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.